They're all set for instantaneous right now, just so you know.
Got it.
It's awesome to be able to speak the same language as the aircraft above us, so that if there's ever a situation where we need some air assets, you're able to talk to them and accurately give them the information that they need to take out the threat that's going to be trying to take us out.
Alright, I'm going to set my arm, start setting my arm up.
The training that we did today was exactly what we would do in the real world. So we come down and we're heads down, we're trying to treat a patient or we're trying to get a patient out of there, and all of a sudden, somebody basically starts shooting at us, and we're trying to help out this patient, and we don't have the firepower to take care of what's attacking us. So we're able to talk to the aircraft and bring in a missile or bring in some big guns in order to take them out so that we can continue to rescue this person and get them back home. Before this, I had no idea what it looked like from an aerial perspective. So we had always been talking on a radio, and we had somebody else somewhere else talking to us as if they were the aircraft. But I didn't understand what they saw or their perspective. But coming out here, being able to actually see from the pod and to hear them speak the way that they're actually going to speak, it's been amazing just to have that actual feedback.
So we had 7 different students who ran 7 different scenarios. Each scenario ran differently. Some students made it more complicated than the others. Some students were able to speak correctly and clearly, where we could provide weapons in less than 2 minutes from checking in with them. Really, it shows us the complications that we could face with working with different guys on the ground who are not qualified to pass information to get munitions on the ground.
One by artillery piece.
So for real-world applications, it allows us as the instructors to continue to practice and enhance our skills in this realm, as well as take some of the lessons learned from that scenario and pass it to our students. On the flip side, for the students on the ground, it shows the capabilities for the MQ-9, right? Because they're brand new, right, to the Air Force, to their job, and it exposes them to our capabilities and what we can provide to them on the ground.
It's an exciting time to be a student, to go through this pipeline, because things are changing, and I tell you, 5 years ago we wouldn't have had this type of training provided for students, but because of what's on the horizon for the future of special warfare, it's going to be exciting for officers to transition into these careers.